Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Big up, big up, big up. Today's video is sponsored by Arabella Hair, guys. I'll be installing this wig and I will be reviewing it for you. How cute is their Christmas packaging though? I love this silk bag with the Merry Christmas on it. I did get a few goodies in the package as well, but before we get into it, remember to leave a like on the video, and before you go, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So this is the unit, guys, and it's a 13x4 loose wave lace frontal wig. Absolutely love the curl pattern coming straight from the package. So this is what it looks like, and it's in 26 inches, so it's quite long. And this is what the unit itself is looking like. It did come pre-parted in the center, it's pre-bleached, and it's also pre-plucked for you. So definitely I can tell this is a beginner friendly unit. It will not take much work at all. Actually, I can just throw this on my head and lay it down. So this is what the construction is looking like. It does come with a removable adjustable strap. This is what I use to secure the unit on my head and to make sure that it is fitted. The link to the unit will be in the description of the video, so please go ahead and check that out. So this is the unit straight from the box on my head, and I am in love with the curls. It's so full. I love the loose wave vibe of it. You can definitely change the parting space on the unit. You can do a side part, you can part it to the left or part it to the right, whichever you choose, girl, but I am keeping it in the center. So the first thing I want to do is to kind of slick all the hairs back away from the lace, and to do that I love to use my wax stick, and then I go in with my hot comb to just comb everything back to make sure there is no hairs that may fly away and get tangled in to the lace band once I decide to lay that down. And to lay down the lace, I'm just using my ebony lace band. I'm just spraying that where I am going to be laying down the lace. Then I use my finger to kind of evenly spread it and flatten it out. As you see, I'm working there as I spray. I just use my finger to lay the product evenly across my skin where I'm going to be laying down the lace. Then I just blow it with my blow dryer to get it kind of tacky before I place the lace on it. And I like to be very precise with where I'm spraying my lace band because I just hate the work. Once it gets messy, it's too much work in the end to clean it up. So I just try to figure out exactly where I'm going to be laying down my lace. Once I put it down, I like to comb it through because I do not want the hairs to get dried together and get clumpy. Now I'm just going to use this band to tie down the lace, let it dry down, and to let it melt into my skin while I continue working on the unit. I'm parting through the fronting sections and using my wax stick and then my hot comb to comb that through to accomplish a flat look on the unit. I want to make sure the hairs are not bulky and just obvious that it's a wig. You know, through packaging and through shipping and all of that, you do need to do a little bit of customization to the wig so you can get it exactly how you want it, like that fresh out the salon look, and that is what I'm trying to accomplish here. Now I can go ahead and cut the excess lace from the unit, and once I'm through with cutting, I will be going in with my Got To Be spray, and I'm spraying that on the edge where I cut, because if you notice here, once you cut, you can see the lace is kind of lifting a little bit, so you want to just make sure that is laying flat. I comb through the hairs again, as I explained earlier, with my comb to make sure the hairs are not clumped together, and then I'm going to tie it down once more, and I try to keep it tied down as long as possible. This helps to melt the lace into the skin, and you want to also make sure the lace spray is dried before you touch this band. Again, it will make everything just messy, so the longer you keep it tied down will be the better for you and for the look of your lace. So now I am curling the unit, guys, and if you notice, what I'm doing is I'm curling smaller sections because it's a loose wave type of wig, and I think this will allow the curls to pop more. I also added a few layers into the unit, especially into the front, and I'm just taking smaller sections and wrapping that around my curling wand. I just think this will turn out beautifully instead of doing larger curls because I do want to accomplish more volume. Then I am adding in some baby hairs to the unit, guys. And that's it for the installation of this unit, guys. I'm just going to use my fingers to kind of rake through those curls and pull them apart. Absolutely love how the curls are looking right now. So let's just get into the final look. Guys, this is the finished look. I am so in love with these curls. The loose wave is just so adorable, and the length, perfect. It's giving a goddess vibe. It's so regal. There's something about this look that I am just in love with. I did add some layers to it, which kind of make the overall look pop even a bit more. This is 100% beginner friendly. It didn't take much work at all, and it turned out so good. The lace itself is impeccable. It's their bye-bye knots, and it's perfectly pre-bleached. So I absolutely love it. The link to the unit will be in the description, so go ahead and check that out. And thanks to Arabella for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.